Hey girl, hey, in today's video I will be showing you how I make my version of a spicy tuna sandwich. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, here are the ingredients that I'll be using for my spicy tuna. Okay, first we have our hot sauce, we have mayo, regular mustard, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and a bunch of different spices, and of course you'll need your tuna. Now this is 2 cans of tuna. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna start putting everything together. First, I will start with some mustard, and I'm just eyeballing everything. I don't have any specific measurements. It's to your liking, okay? And then I'm going in with some mayo. This is my first time using Duke's, okay? I hear so much about it, so I wanted to try it. So I will see how I like it, okay? I'm still undecided. Then we're going to go in with some hot sauce, whatever kind of hot sauce you like, okay? This is what I have right now, okay? However much you want. Okay, this is spicy tuna. And then we're going to go in with those spices. I have some salt and pepper, and salt, pepper, parsley, and red pepper flakes. And then we're going to go in with our eggs. Okay, now I should have chopped those eggs up before I put them in there, but I wanted to make as less mess as possible. So we're just chopping those eggs up, and then we're going to mix everything all together. Okay, now feel free to add whatever you want to this tuna, okay? This is for you. It is for your family. Add whatever you may like, okay? I don't really like a runny tuna, if you know what I mean. Okay, I like it perfect. Not too wet, not too dry. Okay, right in the middle. So I am just mixing everything up. Mix, 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 mix. And you know, I didn't realize that I forgot the relish until I started to edit this video. So if you want to add relish, it's up to you. Usually I do add relish, but I forgot. I totally forgot. So feel free to do what you want to do. If you want to add onions to it, add onions, peppers, whatever. This is for you. This is how I do my tuna. This is how me and my children like it. So it's all up to you. And here is the consistency to which I like mine to look. And then I'm add a little more hot sauce in it. And you know, even when I put it on the bread, sometimes I add more hot sauce onto it. All right, we're still mixing. We're still mixing. Now be sure to taste your tuna to make sure it is to your liking. Okay, now here we're going to go ahead and plate it. See, I got the bread all nice and pretty. Look at that. Oh, cute. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead and use some tuna on that bread. Now you can toast the bread if you like it. I don't like all that crunchy bread. So I leave it like this. And I like to pile it on the bread. I like a thick tuna sandwich. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. And there is your tuna sandwich. Now, usually I add a little hot sauce on it. but that is totally up to you. Now, for all my mommies, this is something that you guys can make for the children. You can make this on a Friday night, Friday evening, and serve it for lunch throughout the weekend. You know, serve it with some potato chips. You can have it with crackers, a side of pickles, whatever. Okay, and that is it. That is my spicy tuna. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you might want to see, what else you may want me to try. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bon appetit.